baby. Oh my god, we become heavier. This is my baby Timiki. Introducing. Oh, I'm not introducing. He's been on my vlog before. Look here, say hi. Say hi here. See here, can you see? See this. Baba, see this. No. Don't look then. It's fine. Where were you today? I went looking for you on the terrace and everything. I didn't see you. I thought Goldie came and scared the shit out of you. That you all must be fighting somewhere. But actually Goldie was on the terrace. She was sleeping quietly. And then I felt bad that I blamed her. And then I saw you coming out of my own room. Not my own room. Where did you come from? I didn't see you come out from anywhere. You just appeared. Where were you, Tima baby? What's going on? This is my mood. Lying down, pondering the existence of life. Not existence of life. Pondering existence. The meaning of existence. Wow. What is he looking at? He's falling asleep. I really wish I could keep this guy. I'm sorry, I have to breathe hard because you're on my chest. And then when I breathe hard, you feel like you need to get up. I don't want that to happen, but I have to breathe hard. See, I'm sorry, I have to. I really wish I could keep you, my baby, but I can't. I can't, sweetie. I love you though. And I'm gonna make sure you only go to the best house. Okay? I've always wanted a cat that wanted to cuddle with me and that was affectionate. And Keto did not be that cat. It was the opposite of that cat. He's very affectionate. He likes us and he'll show that he likes us, but he's also a little cuddly, but he'll never ever let me do this. And he does talk as well, so I like talkative cats. But this guy is a little too noisy, no, sometimes? Isn't he? Yes, he is. Yeah, you are. Has no one told you that before? Look at how beautiful this boy is. Yes, you are. A little pinky nose. How did you get such a pink nose? Timaki? Timaki? How are you? How was your sleep today? What did you dream about? What did you dream about? Oh no, he wants to go. What did you dream about? Okay. अयो लैपटॉप पे बैठ गया तुम. लैपटॉप पे बैठ गया तू. बैठेगा वहां पे. अरे फोन दे दे रे. This is the situation now. This boy will be sitting on my laptop. You like sitting here, baby, in front of me? I can't work. I sat down to work for the first time today and you've come now. What to do? Not to work now? Huh? Timaki? Not to work now? But I have to work now. I love you. Tima, I love you. I just cleaned your eyes in the morning. Again, your eyes are becoming dirty. Again, it's becoming dirty. This is not good for my laptop, baby. At least let me put it to sleep. Wait. नहीं तो कुछ ना कुछ press हो जाएगा. Where is the off button, bro? I've forgotten also. It's here. Sorry, my baby. Tima, my baby. See, I love when he does that. It's like is the flash on? No. It's like he tries to meow, and he does do it, but there's no sound. It's like a soft meow. Do it again, baby. Timaki. See, I love that. It's so adorable. Timaki. Mickey, baby. Okay, you're done. You want to leave? Okay. Okay. Like, even while he's here, I'm constantly aware of the fact that at some point he's not going to be here, because we can't keep him and we have to find him a home. And I'm going to miss him so much. But I'm so glad I got to have a cat for a couple of months at least. And I love this design on his head. It feels so intricate, so symmetrical. It almost feels like it's some kind of mythological, I don't know, symbol. Anyway, I actually started this vlog to kind of talk about life, but then I saw this little baby walking by me and I picked him up, and then he sat with me for a whole of 2 minutes, and now he's going. Bye, sweetum. Bye, sweetum Keetum. That's what I call Keto, sweetum Keetum, and now it's for you. Okay, say bye.